Yo, what's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy HB3 in the building. And today I'm coming to y'all with a quick video. I know y'all ain't seen me in a while. I know it's been a minute, a hot ass minute. Let me sit down right quick. All right, so check this out, right? So basically, I've been thinking about my YouTube, and shout out to, of course, my homeboy Overdose Last, man. Shout out to Overdose Last, man. We chopped it up in Atlanta yesterday. Talked to him last night at the the whole ATL wave check, and the whole wave thing and stuff like that. And basically, we was at the house and we was talking, and he was just giving me some information about, how things run with analytics and YouTube and all that stuff. I just want y'all to know one thing, man. I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm just gonna be honest with y'all, man. I'm always gonna be trying to make a dollar, you feel me? But at the same time, I'm here for the community. I started my wave channel mainly for y'all, you feel me? I ain't going nowhere, but I had to really think about it when he was telling me, when it came to the analytics, when it came to the algorithms and stuff like that. And to be honest, straight up with y'all, I gotta do something. I gotta do something different. You know what I'm saying? I can only talk so much about waves. So I'm coming up with ideas. I've been really trying to put two things and this together and this together. Of course, I know I need to do more giveaways. I know I need to be on that. I need to be coming to the channel more, giving y'all more videos and stuff like that. But also I need to be doing a lot more when it comes to, maybe reviews. I need to be doing maybe more vlogging, of course. Like when I go to the store, I'm always looking at stuff, looking for stuff to help you out with your waves if you ain't got the money to really be able to afford it, things like that. So yeah, I'm gonna be looking into a lot of stuff. So definitely stay tuned. Maybe we can do some reaction videos. I know people be like, oh, here we go with the reaction videos. But maybe we could do some reaction videos to like different type of, stuff, maybe music. I know we got the Oscars tonight, you know what I'm saying? We may even talk about the Oscars, who should have won this, who should have won that. We could talk about sports. We could talk about sneakers, because I'm just saying, hold up, wait, let me think about it right quick. Hold up. I got sneakers. We got sneakers up here. Just a few, you know what I'm saying? We got a few sneakers up here. They're my Stacey Adams over there, though. They're my Stacey Adams. So yeah. We got Stacey Adams over here. So I get real fresh when I need to get fresh. And we got a little few J's over here, but my other stash, they somewhere else. I ain't gonna tell y'all where that's at. But we may even talk about photography, you know what I'm saying? Like if you look, I even show y'all right here, like I got photography stuff all right here. You know what I'm saying? This is just the closet. I got my backdrops and shit right here. I got more stuff right here. Hold on, let me see. Let me go down. Look, I got all type of equipment for photography. You feel me? So, hold on, let me get this shit back. There we go. But what I'm saying is, I need to really be doing a lot more stuff with my YouTube channel. We could talk about taking pictures, how to take pictures. We could talk about doing photography. We could talk about sports. We could talk about shoes. We could talk about whatever, man. Whatever y'all feel like we need to be talking more about, let's get it, man. Of course, we're going to be talking about waves too, but we need to really put some life into the channel, you feel me? It is your boy, man, HB. 3. I'm out of here. No, yo, man, I'm getting fat, man. Look at this. Look at this stomach, man. Hold up. Wait a minute. Look at this. I'm getting fat. Like if you look, that's a yo, real talk though. Let me real talk. I'm getting fat as fuck, man. So I need to be working out. I'm gonna eat good today because I'm gonna go back to Atlanta. I'm gonna go chop it up with my squad, Immortal, all day. Shout out to Immortal, of course. But I'm gonna go chop it up with my squad and shit. I'm gonna be in Atlanta. We're gonna be eating that Candace Burris, chick from Escape and shit. The chick from Escape. We're gonna be eating at her spot. I think it's called like Old Ladies or Ladies of something. But I know it's real good food. I've ate there before. But yeah, that's pretty much it, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm start working out tomorrow. I'm gonna start working out. I mean, I still got some. Now my guns don't went down too. Damn, like I ain't even got my muscles like I used to. They used to be big as shit. But anywho, man, it's your boy HB. 3. I'm out of here, man.